Where are we? Then. Tangin, ganun kasi yung ano ko eh. Where are we?
Hong Kong.
We're here at Hong Kong Airport.
This is our first day.
First day at Hong Kong. We're walking, going to the immigration. Yeah. So we're going to ride train to go to the immigration. So weird. Paparating na sa Cubao.
Kapag na.
We're going to there's outside world. It's already dark because it's already night. On the streets of Canton, you know where Pancit Canton made. We're walking. Look to the right because I'm always right. Okay. So after walking for so long, here we are still walking. Hello, Hong Kong. What will you say? Hello, Hong Kong.
Hello mga co-Chinese. Hello comrades.
Love, bakit nandito tayo sa Taiwan? We're going to eat at Dim Dim Sum Mongkok. Here's the interior. Wow, interior! So today, ito niya, if we're gonna try this silk.
Siya.
What's the flavor?
So this is called the classic boba.
Classic boba from Cell.
Classic boba, less ice with 50%.
Sugar level.
Let's taste it.
Okay.
I'm skeptical about the sugar level.
No. How was it?
Not your typical Filipino drink.
What's it?
It's on the tea
Oh, so
inside. It's not about the milk tea. It's about tea.
I'm gonna try.
Mas nalasa ko yung compared sa milk. Right?
You know, it tastes like Thai milk, di ba?
No. Mas matapang yung for me. Mas matapang yung Thai milk tea compared to. Pero ito, mas yung tea niya, more on the herbal side.
Good morning, it's our day 2.
Day 2. So first snack of the day. So,
We bought Denmark by Nestle. Di ba ba 8?
yeah.
So after we tried the Jollibee in Hong Kong, this is their Buddhist chicken and the mushroom rice. Mushroom rice is like gravy, mushroom gravy with rice. Just tastes the same, but
flight nila papuntang Philippines.
Also, bumili siya ng Jollibee. Ay,
Jolly
Jollibee.
Spaghetti.
Jolly Spaghetti. Jollibee. Jollibee nga pala. Jollibee Spaghetti is the same.
So this is my OOTD. We're waiting for the train. We just finished the Macau immigration. We're now on the terminal airport.
Waiting for our
Time. Boarding time.
So boarding gates open 15 minutes before 10 o'clock.
So this will be our turbo jet. We're going down. Here's our ticket. My seat is 14A, while his seat is 14C. So we're sitting down already. Diba we said that we're not going to be beside each other, but look at that! And we are together! You don't know?
I didn't know. Siyempre,
Sinisisi niya pa si ate kanina, sabi niya.
what comes
Type kasi
after
ng type.
What comes after beer?
So tayo, ano tayo, video. Right? So we're here.
Ganun na yung tura nun.
Jet. Turbo jet. Shagadas arrival. We're here at the Shagadas arrival. Going to walk again. We're on the other airport.
Saan airport?
We're here now at the information area. Here's the... May mga free ba? So right now, we're going to Grand Bistro.
落車後請取回你的行 四通八達嘅交通網絡環境嘅行程更加方便，快啲嚟上途經。
We're here at Grand Tibong Palace. Hi guys, we're now here in front of Parisian. We're going inside the garden, the famous garden where they pose for the perfect view of the Eiffel Tower. Right?
Yeah.
I like the Conservatory. This is how it looks when you go here. This is the foot. Is this the foot? Leg. This is the leg. Okay, we're done with Macau. We're going home. Bye, Paris. Paris pala. Parisian.
See you soon, Paris.
See you soon, Paris. Paris friends.
Next na visa, Japan. After Japan, who knows?
Schengen.
US or maybe Schengen.
US.
Who
Schengen.
knows?
It's now blinking. Back in Hong Kong, we're going to ride the two-decker, double-decker, crappy two-decker bus. We're going to
Disneyland.
going to the store. All those years waiting for this sunshine. All those days outside to begin. Wow. Pupunta na sila. Ba't parang madaming tao? Ba't sabi nila hindi? So we're here outside.
Hindi lang expect ko, ikaw lang tao mag-isa.
So we're now here at the arc. Famous arc. Shit, it's so cold. What's the weather today? Weather update?
I think it's about 15.
I think it's about 14. So we're already inside. We're gonna ride.
Gonna ride the world of Frozen. Gonna go.
Go to the world of Frozen. Where is it? Yeah, see a map. So after taking pictures, we're here. We're here at Frozen.
Welcome to my world.
Welcome. Welcome to you, hot dog. Bye, Anna and Elsa.
Oh, the sky and the blue. And you guys will be there too. When I finally do what frozen things do in summer.
Sige, mas ano talaga sila. Firehouse. Ito na naman tayo. Papasok na naman sa tunnel.
Let's go, my princess. Welcome to my backyard.
This is my homeland.
They're all over. No, it's just all over. They're all over. We got like
So it's currently at 11:21. We're just roaming around. We're gonna ride Small World. It's a small world. Okay, so right now we're going to ride
going to ride a Slinky Dog.
Slinky Dog.
Slinky Dog.
This is our fourth ride because we're getting tired.
Energy cup.
Here we are. I think you will like this. Shit, ang haba.
15.
Yeah, I was just looking for. Oh, there's the music box I told you about. I must find my little friend.
Abu, ba't nandiyan ka? Ayan, kami mahangin effect na
Albert, there you are. You didn't touch that music box, did you?
Oh, no.
You never know. The legend just might be true. Well, I do hope you've enjoyed your visit to Mystic Manor. Cheerio!
cute. This is my lunch. 40 pesos. Ay, 40 HK.
Sit down, sit down. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay, you can also take a seat at the back.
Eight right.
You can sit behind.
Right lang.
Okay.
Pero pang 8 na natin.
If you have time, you can also visit him. It's okay. Okay, now we are on the longest river in the world. It's about 10 miles. But don't worry, I got this. He has taken the shot for 8 hours. As you can see the wiggle on his body. Okay, now we can see Florida elephant. Whoa, it's so naughty. So guys, are you ready to get wet? Let's go! So don't try to wake them up. Otherwise, we will become their dinner.
This is our 9, 10.
Your Dagger's onboard computer will track
Mga gusto ni Ma'am Jason.
aim for the week's
Hey kids, fun fact.
Tingle.
Intel shows Zola is inside one of the bots controlling the rest of the house.
Ito ngongpin.
Okay. Priority pa rin. Just finished eating here at Sukiya. So far, the cheapest meal that we've ever tried here. But this is a Japanese restaurant. On the lanterns. Colorful lantern. So we're going to try this mango coconut here at Delhi Vegetarian Cafe.
It's actually good.
Sakto lang. Actually for the price, it's not worth it. So we will try this sausage. Hawak.
It's dripping. We have tissue, don't worry. How was it?
Halok naman. Yummy. It's $30, 200 pesos isa.
It's like a Hungarian sausage.
Ah, favorite ko ni Bob Jason. So we're going to try this yung resto tangerine peel roast goose. Wow, hindi alam yung pangalan. So this is how it looks. Yes. So we bought things here at Mongkok. We're gonna buy here at Haiti milk tea. Matcha. How much? So this is what we bought. What is this, love?
That's the brown sugar boba.
And then
And this one is called the grape poop.
we're gonna try this today. So this one.
Anong kalasa? Tikip?
Unique.
80 or ano? Shing putang.
Pinputang pa rin.
Kalasa.
Now going home. What will you say?
Goodbye.
Goodbye. This is our last night. Okay, this is our 5th day. We're going now to the airport. I bought sausage McMuffin with egg, hash brown and hot choco.